Affiliate marketing in 2025 requires AI. But where do you even begin? If you've ever felt overwhelmed by complicated marketing strategies or struggled to make AI work for your business, the AI Marketing Toolkit for Newbies changes everything. It's the complete system designed specifically for people who want results without the technical headaches. Inside, you'll find everything you need to launch your first AI-powered campaign, even if you've never done marketing before. There's a comprehensive campaign launch checklist, a step-by-step plans that eliminate guesswork, 5 high-converting email templates ready to customize, 3 done-for-you social ad templates that grab attention, and my personal favorite, 10 powerful ChatGPT prompts that generate marketing assets in your authentic voice. No more wasting time figuring out what works through expensive trial and error. No more feeling stuck on the sidelines while AI transforms marketing around you. Whether you're a content creator, a small business owner, or just getting started in digital marketing, this toolkit gives you an almost unfair advantage. From idea to launch, this is the step that actually gets you moving. No guesswork, no overwhelm. Just plug, play, and profit. The AI Marketing Toolkit for Newbies. It's not just another resource, it's your shortcut to launching effective AI-powered campaigns without the learning curve. Getting started is easy. Just visit the link in description for the AI Marketing Toolkit for Newbies information you need to master AI marketing.